Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below where you can get one of these at a low cost. Fast, free shipping. And hope everyone had a good day so far today. Everybody is safe. Here we go. Let's see what's inside this box. And here we go. Oh yeah. Get ready to rock and roll with these guys. This comes from GUSODOR. Smart LED strip lights. Supports Android or the iOS. Ooh, these are nice. 16 million colors. Light dancing and music. Microphone mode. Whoa. You can have your own nightclub. Smart LED. Is that a toy? Sound replacing lamp. Alright. It is waterproof. I believe it was IP66. Or maybe 665. Either or. You can definitely do these outside. I wanted to do them outside, but I think it's going to be indoor now. Just because we get a lot of snow here in Michigan, so I'm not sure how good these will handle the snow. But I don't want to figure it out. We'll see what's inside, though. Take a look at these guys. And I'll do a full install, so I'm going to figure it out. We're going to do a little pause break after I show you guys what's inside the box. And then once I get it set up, it'll be on the second part. So grab some popcorn. Thank you guys for watching tonight. Oh boy. We got some double-sided tape. 2 rows. Dang. That's a nice controller. There you go. We'll remove that. RGB. Got the music notes right there. And they feel good. This is the IR sensor. Put that to the side. Whoa. Got a big old battery pack. Alright, alright. Here's a wheel. Oh, there's 2 wheels in here. Oh boy. They got connectors right there. Oh boy. I'm definitely gonna figure these out. Figure out where I'm gonna install it. These are for like the corners to tuck in, to pinch. Really cool. Spacers. Manual. So there's gonna be an app, I do believe. Wow, look at these. These are nice ones. Yeah, these are really nice, guys. Nice quality. This is going to be a fun project. I'm going to stay up late tonight, so this is going to be an early morning video. But it's going to be worth it for sure once I get this set up. There's the color, speed. I can plug it in right now and show you guys at least that part on this part of the video. I definitely can't wait to install this. It's going to go into my basement. That's what I figure now. I'm going to have it put in. I gotta get the step stool and do all that good stuff. The fun stuff. Which I won't have on video because it might take me a while to do it. Just figure out where I'm going to have it installed and where I'm going to run the power cord. So, get that out of the way. It's a pretty long cord. Let me pause you guys 1 sec. Alright. Got that plugged in. I got the app downloading right now on my iPhone Pro Max. So I'm gonna have to set up the Wi-Fi and all the passwords. Maybe not. You can use Bluetooth. Dang. Whoa. That was super easy to connect. Yeah, these are nice ones, guys. Here's music. Oh, wow. I'm afraid to do any of these because they might be copyrighted, so we'll skip that. Lois would like to listen to your microphone. Hello, hello. Hello, testing. 1, 2, test, 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 test. Hello, YouTubers. Whoa. That is pretty cool. Look at it down here. It shows your sound waves. 14. Here we go. Whoa. Gotta love this technology. Now, this is top notch, guys. You can adjust it. You can dim it. Super bright. Got the blue, purple. You can mix and match your own. Style. That is crazy. So many combinations. Yeah, this gotta go indoor. This would drive my neighbors nuts if I had it outside, so I don't want to be that bad neighbor, so I want to keep it peaceful. 3 color, fade. So we're gonna pause in a few minutes and jump downstairs, do the rest. This is crazy though. You can change the speed of it too. All from your phone. In case you lose your remote, it happens, you know. I've lost a few remotes in my time. But this is really cool, guys. This is something I didn't expect to be like this easy. But you guys seen how easy it was to install the app. So it was like, poof, magic. Cyan, there's green, blue. Alright, we're back to the strobes. Man, oh man. That's crazy. You get 2 wheels. Alright, guys, we're gonna teleport downstairs. Alrighty, guys, I got it set up. I ordered another set because I want to complete that side now. And that should be coming this weekend. So I'll post it when it's finally finished on my Instagram. This is really cool, though. Here is the app. You get to control it. Do music. And let's see what else we could show. Different colors. Red. It lights up really nice. Really nice. Classic. Preset. I think there's a, you could turn this around. Really cool though. I'm gonna clean up more around here and start organizing it more, so that's why it kind of looks the way it does right now. I'm just adjusting to a few things. I know there's a like strobe, some presets already. Oh, here we go. Just gotta move it up. For some reason it's not taking it. Hold on. Alright, there we go. Style. There we go. There's a cyan. Just gotta move it. Kind of like the Wheel of Fortune. There we go. There's a fade it does. There's a red. I don't know if you guys could read it. There we go. There's that one. There's a white, purple, cyan, the blue, green, red. 3 colors. Goes the red, green, blue. 7 colors. Yeah, that's cool. I mean, covers a pretty good amount with what came in the box. So I mean, depends on how big your basement is, you know. So you might want to do some measuring. I didn't do it. I should have, but like I said, I think 2 more should be good enough to complete the whole, at least this wall, and then maybe do that side too. So, but yeah, definitely really cool. And we got 3 color jumping. You can have your own bar downstairs, you know, man cave, whatever, chill room. Got the big screen. So I mean, so many options though. We got the purple strobe. There it goes. And a cyan strobe. The blue strobe. 7 color strobe. This should be trippy. Boom. Boom. And this is the gradual. But like I said, there's so many options. You can hook up the music. But I'm afraid to play any of these songs because of copyright. But you guys could try it out once you get it. Definitely worth it. I mean, I've never seen a RGB light set like this so far. This is really cool. Like I said, easy to use app. Hooks up right away once you install it. You don't need no passwords, no emails, no nothing. And once it turns on, and poof, there you go. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Check them out. Link will be down below. Get it fast and free shipping. All you gotta do, add it to your cart, check out, and have a good night. See ya.